Hello, how are you today? Today I'm gonna be doing some press-on nails. I'm gonna be using this brand over here, Betty Cora, on the medium square shape. I really like these nail tips a lot. And I'm gonna be starting with the base gel from Macar. Once I apply the base gel, I'm gonna be curing the nails for 1 minute. And then I'm going to continue on to this beautiful red that I purchased on Amazon. Today I'm going to be creating a Christmas nail design. It's actually a design that I saw on Instagram, and I'm going to be trying to create it as close as the original. I'm going to show you a picture here. So once I'm done with each layer, I'm going to be curing again 1 minute. This is my UV lamp. I love this one. This one has been really good so far for me. Where are you? Tell me in the comments. I've been sick for a little while, so the last video I didn't do a voiceover. And I did take a break as well from doing videos due to the nail allergy that I had. So I took a long break, many months without doing videos until I found a brand that was good for me, and as well protecting myself with gloves and making sure I'm not touching these chemicals directly on my skin. That helped me a lot with the allergic reactions. Right now I'm just creating a snowflake, and I did that with a dotting tool. It's very easy to do it this way. So once I'm done with the snowflakes, these are the nails that I'm trying to recreate, and the options that I see here to create something similar is with the gold flakes. So I'm gonna encapsulate the gold flakes, and hopefully it's gonna look similar to the nails that I found. These ones are from Instagram. I'm not sure if she actually used gold flakes for this design or something else. At the end, I was happy with the results, so this was a good idea. I had a, like a feeling that the gold flakes would do a similar effect to the nails I'm trying to recreate, and it actually worked. So right now I'm doing this, and I'm gonna cure this for 60 seconds, then I'm gonna go ahead with the matte top coat and then cure again for 60 seconds. Now for the final touch, I'm just going to clean the nails a little bit with a nail file, and I'm using as well my dust collector. My dust collector is on right now. You don't hear it because I have that section of the video mute, but it's always a very good idea to have a dust collector or a mask. For sure you don't want to breathe in all the dust when you're filing nails. It's very harmful for sure. So the two nails with the gold flakes, I'm going to leave it with a shiny top coat, and then the rest are gonna be matte. Again, and once this is done, I'm going to cure everything for 60 seconds. And right now I'm just removing the nails from the nail stand. In this video I only created 5 nails, it's just for the purpose of the design, but if I was doing a full set for press-ons, it will be the 10 nails. And this is the final result for today. I'm really happy with it. I hope you enjoyed this video. Leave me a comment if you did, and a like. As well, if you haven't subscribed yet to my channel, go ahead and do that right now. So I get more motivation to keep filming these videos. Thank you again for watching, and you have a beautiful day. Bye bye.